I feel a connection with the mountain even before I start the project. The mountain has something special.
We are leaving a legacy for future generations to keep it going, keep it protected, and hopefully maintain it so that the path is always used and the mountain is always used.
Croagh Patrick is located in County Mayo on the west coast of Ireland, close to the beautiful town of Westport. Croagh Patrick, as most people are probably aware of, is a well-known pilgrimage path. It's our job to construct a path that's going to be sustainable for the people that use the hill. Imagine a dry stone wall. It's a kind of similar technique, but we're laying it flat into the ground with small risers. We bolster the path, building revetment walls on both sides of the path.
The most rewarding part of the job here on Croagh Patrick, I'd say, is the landscape. We're working in an outdoor area, which is hard with weather some days, but other days like today where we have great sunshine, it's very rewarding when you get up there and you work away all day, you sit down for your break and you have those views.
Working in upland, there is a difficulty with the weather. It's a severe cold. By having the appropriate layers of equipment, that keeps us warm and safe on the mountain. So working gear, it's very important.
I would be really pleased if our legacy as a team is if we can get the path into a condition where the majority of people start using it and we see the recovery of the vegetation. We've now been going for a year and 8 months and already we're beginning to see the vegetation recover at the side, and this is basically what it's about. This really gives us heart that what we're doing is making a big benefit for future generations.